Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Wingstop ranch. This popular dipping sauce is known for its creamy texture and tangy, savory flavor. It's surprisingly easy to recreate at home using just a few common ingredients. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can enjoy this delicious ranch whenever you like. Get ready to elevate your dipping game. To start, you'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, which forms the creamy base. Next, grab about 1 to 1.5 cups of fresh buttermilk. This adds that signature tang. The essential flavor comes from 1 or 2 packets of dry ranch seasoning mix. Some recipes also suggest a pinch of black pepper for an extra kick. Now for the mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise, buttermilk, and the dry ranch seasoning. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and well blended. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a little more buttermilk. For a thicker ranch, add more mayonnaise. Once mixed, cover it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to fully develop and meld. Your homemade Wingstop ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for dipping wings, fresh vegetables, or even as a salad dressing. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. Feel free to adjust the seasonings to match your personal preference. For a thicker dip, simply use a little less buttermilk next time. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.